Today, we're going over how to speed up your Mac and make it run faster. We'll look at manual fixes you can do right now and how MacKeeper can help automate the heavy lifting so you get faster results with less effort. MacKeeper is an all-in-one tool trusted by over 60 million Mac users worldwide. It bundles cleanup, optimization, protection, and even data breach monitoring into one simple app. In this video, I'll show you how it works, where it helps, and how to use it properly, alongside proven manual tips. And by the way, if you find this video helpful and you would like to support me, the best way to do that is to sign up to MacKeeper using my link in the description of this video. It's my affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. Number 1, restart your Mac. First, let's talk about the simplest fix, restarting your Mac. It sounds obvious, I know, but most of us just close the lid and put our Mac to sleep instead of fully restarting it. Over time, this clogs up memory, builds up temporary background processes, and creates performance drag. A full restart clears the RAM, random access memory, resets hung up threads, and gives your Mac a clean slate to start from. Just click the Apple logo in the top left, choose Restart, and uncheck Reopen Windows before confirming. Number 2, close background apps and browser tabs. Next up, background apps. Even when you're not actively using them, apps like Zoom, Slack, or Adobe Creative Suite can still run in the background and eat up CPU and memory. Same goes for web browser tabs, especially if you're using Chrome. To see what's using up power, open Activity Monitor. You'll find it in Applications, Utilities. Sort by CPU and memory. If something's hogging resources and you're not using it, quit it. Don't forget those random background utilities you installed months ago. They sneak in too. Number 3, update macOS and your apps. Let's now talk updates, because outdated software often causes slowdowns. Apple includes performance improvements, security patches, and bug fixes in nearly every macOS update. Same with app developers. If you're still on an older version, your system might be fighting against known memory leaks or bugs. To update, go to System Settings, General, Software Update. Then open the App Store and check the Updates tab. Keeping things up to date is one of the easiest long-term ways to make sure your Mac runs efficiently. Number 4, clean junk, caches, and log files. MacKeeper Safe Cleanup. This is where real performance gains start to happen. Your Mac stores a ton of hidden files. System logs, app caches, old language files, broken downloads. You name it. They're not dangerous, but over time they build up and weigh down your system. Instead of hunting for those files manually, open MacKeeper and go to Safe Cleanup. Click Start Scan and give it a moment. It'll detect all the junk cluttering your Mac, both visible and invisible stuff. Once the scan's done, click Clean Junk Files. And just like that, you'll clear out gigabytes of wasted space and reduce background resource usage. It's fast, safe, and requires no technical knowledge. You could try clearing cache folders manually through library directories, but trust me, it's way too easy to delete the wrong thing. Let MacKeeper do it properly. Number 5, remove unused apps, extensions, and widgets. Use MacKeeper Smart Uninstaller. Apps you haven't used in months, browser extensions you forgot were installed, old widgets clogging your system. Let's clear them out. MacKeeper Smart Uninstaller handles all of it in one place. Open the tool, click Start Scan, and it will check your entire system for apps, extensions, plugins, and leftover support files. After the scan, go through each section. Select what you don't use or recognize, especially old browser toolbars or half-installed apps, and click Remove Selected. What makes this powerful is that it removes everything related to the app, including system leftovers that usually get missed when you just drag something to the trash. You'll also find unused language packs or support files from old apps that are still taking up space. Delete those and you'll notice both more storage and a snappier system. Number 6, manage startup programs. MacKeeper Login Items tool. If your Mac takes forever to start up, startup programs are usually the culprit. These are apps that auto-launch when you log in, like Dropbox, Zoom, or Teams, even if you don't need them right away. They slow down boot time and chew through RAM from the moment you turn your Mac on. To fix this, go to the Login Items section in MacKeeper. It'll show you a list of everything that auto starts. Review the list and toggle off anything you don't want launching at startup. Disabling just a few can speed up login time and leave more memory available for the things you actually want to use. Number 7. Reduce visual effects. macOS has a beautiful interface, smooth animations, transparency effects, and all that eye candy. But if your Mac's older or already bogged down, these visuals cost performance. To reduce it, go to System Settings, Desktop and Dock, and disable Animate Opening Applications. Then head to Accessibility, Display, and enable Reduce Transparency. This tweak alone can make switching between apps feel faster, especially if your system is already under strain. It's a small thing that adds up. Number 8. Disable iCloud syncing. If you have iCloud Drive syncing turned on for your desktop, documents, or photos folders, your Mac might constantly be uploading or downloading in the background. This slows down everything, especially if your Wi-Fi is spotty or you're dealing with large files. To adjust this, go to System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, and disable syncing for anything you don't need updated constantly. You can still upload to iCloud manually, but this reduces unnecessary background load. For large files or creative work, turning this off makes a huge difference. Number 9. Clean up your desktop. A cluttered desktop doesn't just look messy, it actually slows things down. Each icon on your desktop is treated like a live window with a preview. So 100 files means 100 thumbnail renders every time you switch apps or open Finder. Take a few minutes to organize. Move files into folders, archive old work, and to go further, right-click your desktop, choose Show View Options, and uncheck Show Icon Preview. You'll get a cleaner interface and better responsiveness overall. Number 10. Check disk health, disk utility, first aid. Sometimes your Mac slows down not because of clutter, but because your drive is slightly damaged or corrupt. Open Spotlight, type disk utility, and launch it. Select your main drive and click First Aid. It'll scan for minor disk errors and automatically fix them. This is one of the most underrated tools built into macOS. It won't change how your Mac looks, but it can fix hidden issues that affect file transfers, app behavior, or boot times. Run this once a month just to keep things running smoothly. And there you go. That's how to speed up your Mac and make it feel brand new again. You can do all of this manually if you want, but MacKeeper makes it faster, safer, and more convenient. From safe cleanup to smart uninstaller and login items, it bundles all the tools you need into one clean dashboard. So if you want to give MacKeeper a try, make sure to use my link in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.